Šiandien aš jūs nusivesiu į Timberlake koncertą, kuris mums labai patiko. Ir žiūrėkite iki galo, nes galas pats juokingiausias.
Kur? Linkui.
Oh, you know this one too? Say what? Those flashing lights come from everywhere. I can see this on the countryside. It's a different type of party in Kaunas tonight. I'm so humbled, I'm so grateful that all of you came out to see us tonight. Oh, I gave you love. Can't believe it's sending us way. Everybody, tell me, is this?
O mums koncertas labai patiko ir važiuotume dar kartą ir paliko neišdildomus įspūdžius.